Welcome back. The time's now 7:44. LongVue Gardens partners with Morris Jeff Community School. It's helping teach middle school students how to garden. With us this morning, we have a big group with us this morning, but only a few people will be talking with us. But I'm going to introduce everyone just in case. We have Mariah Theobald with LongVue Gardens. If you can wave your hand, Mariah. We have Kristen Bowens, who's one of the teachers. We have Taylor Ruffin, a 7th grader, and Victor Krylov with us as well. Good morning to you all, and thank you for being with us.
Good morning.
So Mariah, let's start off with you. You're with LongVue, so tell us why you guys started this partnership exactly and how it's going to work.
So we started this partnership this year based off a program model from last year with Lycée Français. We were really excited to be reaching more people and spending time in the community because of our location. We're a little isolated from a lot of the city and kind of see the same people, and this is like a wonderful way to reach 100 7th graders and get them excited about the stuff that excites me every day.
And so what will these gardening classes entail exactly?
So I come to the school once a month and we do all sorts of hands-on activities as well as some PowerPoint lessons. Last time we were starting seeds, so imagine us with wagons of 50-pound bags of soil coming up and down the elevators to fill hundreds of 4-inch pots in this classroom.
And Victor, you're one of the students who's taking part in this class. Tell us about how exciting it's been, or how excited you are about continuing these lessons.
Well, I remember the first time that they came in, I was sort of excited and shocked, but then I realized I get to garden at school and not only just at home. So I felt very excited and ready to learn.
And what have you been learning? I know you said you mentioned you garden at home a little bit, but what have you been learning on top of what you already know about gardening in these classes?
Well, I really just sort of re-recovered my lessons on what plants need to grow and thrive.
And back to you, Mariah. Why is it so important? Again, I know you want to get into the community, but why reach this age group of people with gardening lessons?
I love working with middle schoolers because they're old enough to care about something, and like they're little grown-ups. They have interests, they have ideas and focus and discipline, and they're watering these plants every single day. They show up, they sign up on the sheet, they show up. And also big thank you to Miss Bowens, who is the best teaching partner I could ask for in this.
Mariah, we have a couple seconds left. Can you just give us your website for people to learn more information about what you do at LongVue and just more about this program that you have with Morris Jeff?
Yeah, so longvue.com, you can find all of our programs and events there, as well as information about our partnerships.
And I'm sure you guys are super happy that the weather is getting a little bit better. Makes gardening a whole lot more fun when you're not sweating so much and getting a nice little cool, dry breeze. We appreciate you guys this morning being with us. Thank you so much.
Thank you.